Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and this is DUANE GENAYAS. And in today's video guys, I will be doing something special today. So yeah, when I arrived at school guys, I noticed that there is so many different flags from different countries. And I thought of like, today is United Nations month that is celebrated every month of October every year. And I just also thought of like making a makeup tutorial in behalf of United Nations month. So I posted something on my Instagram story which is connected to my Facebook Messenger, wherein I let my followers choose, and also I privately messaged my friends to which countries they like, wherein it's Philippines, United States of America, Brazil, and also South Korea. And the country with the highest ratings or votes is that I will make the colors of their flag of the country as the basis of my look today. Yes! So the country with the highest ratings or votes is no other than, drum roll please, Philippines, our country. Yes, of course. As of course. I'm really excited to do this look today guys, because it's really quite challenging for my part, because the country's flags has like 4 colors, I think: the blue, red, yellow, and color white. Yes. So let's jump right in guys. First, we are going to apply this primer, of course, before we begin applying foundation. Yes, primer every day, every night. I'm just kidding. So next is we are going to apply foundation, girls. Yes. I will be using this sponge because I don't like the brush, because it's not like spreading everywhere, like it's not spreading properly, I mean like that. So yeah, I'll be using the, oh my god, it spread again, look. Oh my god, loser. So I already placed it here already. So only here, here. Oh my god, I forgot my mirror. And here, and on my nose, and here, and spread. Oh my god. It's like so nice when you use sponge because it spreads directly. I don't have a blending sponge, or what we call that thing. Oh my god, I forgot. So yeah, just blend. Apply here, or to some places that needs to be applied in foundation, like that. After applying your foundation, next is this concealer here. Yes, just apply it to the place that needs to be concealed as usual. Here, in your nose, and everywhere you want. So using the same sponge in blending. So yeah, let's begin blending it. Yes. Oh my god. Here. After applying and blending your concealer, I will be using this Shine Free Cake Powder from Maybelline. Yes. So yes, here it is. As usual, this is the powder I use.
Here, before I will be contouring and highlighting, I want that my face looks snatched like that. So yes, and also on your neck, don't forget that.
After applying powder in your face, I will be using this as my highlighter and also my contour as usual. So yeah guys, in this shade for contour, this shade here, and this one for my highlighter. So yes guys,
Let's contour, highlight your face. Here, do I look snatched already? Yes.
After highlighting and contouring your face, we will be going to the eye makeup already, which is first the eyebrows, and next is the eye makeup here, like that. my god, guys, look at my bro. It looks so weird in the camera like that. Oh my god, it looks so, oh my god, not so nice like that. But I don't care. Let's proceed. After doing your brows, guys, let's go to the eye makeup. Wherein first my crease, I want it so like dark blue in here, and then here light blue, like that. So yeah, let's begin. My makeup palette is not of good quality, so I will be putting like concealer first before applying the eye palette like that. So yeah, in here in your crease part where you want to apply, so that it will really stick in your desired place that you want to put it, like that. In here, on the other side.
Here, like that. Just apply to which place you desired your crease will be. Oh my god.
I think, guys, that it is already enough that the color would really stick in my eyes. So let's proceed. I'll be using this color here, dark, for my crease, and then the outer part will be lighter sky blue in here. This part here, yes.
Let's begin. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Guys, after applying the other side, let's proceed here. So yeah, I just started. Okay, just be careful so that you won't be mistaken again. Just like what I did in my first makeup tutorial. Like, you really need to be careful. Oh my god.
After doing your crease, then let's proceed to the upper part, and I will be using in this shade here. Yes, as you can see it in the camera, but here, yeah.
Oh my god, guys, I don't look so comfortable in the mirror, but in the camera it's like, yeah, like that. Oh my god, is it nice or not? Oh my god, I think it's not. Or oh my god, just comment down your thoughts below if you like it or not. Yes.
After that, guys, like, oh my god, I feel like I'm not comfortable or whatever. For the lower part in here, guys, I'll be using this color white. Yes, like that. Oh my god. So look at that, guys. This is the outcome when I applied this color white here under my under eye, like that. I think, oh my god. You better like comment down below on what are your thoughts, if you like this video or not at all. But yeah, it looks like this. Oh my god. I hope that the final output of this look will be snatched when I apply my lipstick already. So yes.
Oh my god, guys. So I think I want to play like with the colors on my face. I want to add something yellow here in this part, and also in here that represents the stars and the sun's color. And then this white here represents the white part of the flag. And then here the yellow. And for my lips, I think I will be doing for a red color lips like that. And then for my blush on, I think just a normal blush on like that. So yes, guys.
Oh my god, does it even look nice? Oh my god. So yes. After that, guys, we'll proceed to the nose line and then the lips. Yes. After the nose line, I will be going with the lips. So since I don't have any colors of like lipsticks, like lots of colors like that, I'll be using this. And I will be using the colors from the makeup palette as my lips. Yes, so just be creative, girl. Use of this petroleum jelly is to hold the colors from the makeup palette because it's just a powder. So yeah, it will hold the color like long lasting like that. I will be using this color here. And also this color. I will make like an ombre effect on my lips like that. So yes. that is the final look of my lips, and then I will be doing my eyeliner and then my blush on like that. So yes guys, so stay tuned for the final look guys. I will not be applying fake lashes because it will be a hard time for me if I will apply that like that. So yes guys. And lastly, we're going to apply setting spray like that. So yes. Oh my god, I need a mirror. So yes, wait. Oh my god, how do I look? Yes, and you are so good to go, girl. The final look. I think guys that this look doesn't look like a United Nations look from the Philippines, but I don't care as long as the colors are there from the flag, which is the white, the blue, the yellow, and also the red. And also it looks like a 90s look, like a kikai look from the Philippines, like that, from the 90s or 80s or whatever, like that. So yes, I hope guys you liked it, or yes. So by the way, thank you to Dazzle Mentado for giving me this late birthday gift. Yes, thank you so much, girl. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Hit the notification button so that you will be notified if ever I will upload a new video. And comment down your thoughts below also so that I will know if you like this look or not. And also, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and also on Facebook. So bye guys, see you on my next video.